Truck System Technologies 510 Tire Pressure Monitoring System for RVs. Here is your monitor for the 510 RV system. You'll notice a stubby antenna, a 3.5-inch screen, and a mount that you can clip onto your air conditioning unit. To turn on the monitor, press and hold the minus button for 6 seconds. You will see an outline of a trailer, followed by a battery signal on the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. To put the sensor into the monitor, press and hold the set button for 6 seconds. You will see an outline of a bunch of tires on the screen, followed by 4 Fs. The first F will be blinking. For this demonstration, we will use one tire to code into the monitor. This sensor will have a code on the very bottom. If you see close, the code is C3EE. You will put that code as it is read into the monitor. With the first digit being F, we will use the minus buttons to change this to C. You can use either the plus or minus buttons to switch. To switch digits, press the mode button to go on to the next digit. Continue doing so until you've completed all 4 digits. To go on to the next tire, press the set button. But again, for this demonstration, we were only using one tire, so we are finished. When you are finished, press and hold the set button for 6 seconds, and it'll take you back to the main screen. You should see the tire that you've already programmed on the front screen. If you program more than one tire, you will see more than one tire on the screen. To program your high and low pressures, press and hold the mode button down for 6 seconds. You shall see PSI on your screen right now. Leave that as it is. Press the mode. You will see Celsius. You want to change that to Fahrenheit by using the plus button. Press mode again, and you will see a high pressure icon flashing on the bottom middle corner of your screen, followed by 175 PSI on your screen. You want to run your tires 20% above and 10% below what you normally run your tires at on your monitor. So for our demonstration, we're running at 80 PSI. So we're going to change ours to about 105 PSI. To do so, use the plus and minus buttons. We'll go about 104. To go on to your low pressure setting, press the mode button. Again, because we run 80 PSI, we're going to go about 10% lower than that. So we're going to go about 73, 72 PSI. Mode over again and complete your other tires that you have programmed. Keep pressing mode until you get to your temperature. The Michelin standard for temperature is the tires will fail between 180 and 200 degrees. So for that, we give you a preset warning of 157 degrees. You are welcome to change that, but we prefer that you leave it as it is, just so you can get a complete warning a few degrees before the actual tires may fail. One note that when you're setting your tire pressures high and low, your high pressure cannot go lower than your low pressure. If your low pressure is below 100 and your high pressure needs below 100 as well, you'll set your low pressure first, then scroll back around and set your high pressure. To save, just press set. Now we are ready to put the sensor onto the valve stem. Using your theft-proof wrench and your sensor, place the wrench onto the sensor and in a clockwise fashion, screw it onto the valve stem. You don't want it too tight or too basically loose, or it's going to give you a leakage and it may not actually monitor at all. It can take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes to pick up your sensor. As you can see, it has picked up 80 PSI and 76 degrees on that tire. Do this for the remaining tires and your tire pressure and temperature is ready to be monitored. Thank you for your time and enjoy your system.